Hello students, this is Ashish Ojha and welcome back to Excellence Home Tutorials. We will discuss about 7th class maths integer chapter. First of all we have to discuss about whole number. Whole number is a number which is counting number and 0. That means group of 0 and counting number is called whole number. After that, natural number, which is counting number, is called natural number, that is 1, 2, 3 and so on. After that, we have to study about even number. Even number is a number which is divisible by 2, number divisible by 2, that is number divisible by 2. Odd number, a number do not divisible by 2, divisible by 2. नेक्स्ट नंबर्स में हम लोग पढ़ेंगे प्राइम नंबर, प्राइम नंबर a number whose factor is only 2, whose factor only 2, that factor 1 factor is 1 and itself that number is prime number, and other is composite number. A number whose factor is more than 2, factor is more than 2. For example, 4, their factor is 1, 2, 4. There are 3 factors. And the prime number, for example, 2, that factor is 1 and 2, 3, 1 and 3. After that, we will discuss about 1 is neither prime number nor composite number. Take a screenshot for your convenient and understanding. So let's move on next topic, that is prime number, in which we have to prove that 1 is neither prime number nor composite number. So 1 is neither prime number nor composite number, because 1 has only one factor. So 1 is neither prime number which contains 2 factors, composite number contains more than 2 factors, but it has only one factor. So 1 is neither prime number nor composite number. Other number is co-prime number. Co-prime number is a pair of numbers whose SCF is 1. Whose SCF is 1 is called co-prime numbers. That is, for example, 2, 3, 8, 9, 15, 17, and next twin prime number. Twin prime number is a prime number, pair of prime number, basically pair of prime numbers whose difference is 2, whose difference is 2. That is, for example, 3, 5, 5 comma 7, and so on. So these are the basic definitions of number system. After that we will discuss about integers. So take a screenshot for your convenience. Let's move on next topic, which is integer. Integer is a group of numbers, in which positive numbers, negative numbers, and 0 contains. That means group of positive numbers, negative numbers, and 0 is called integer, are called integers. So on the basis of their constituents, there are types of integers. There are 3 types of integers, that is positive integer, second 0, third negative integer. Positive integer are numbers with plus sign. Positive integers are numbers with plus sign. 0 is a number written as 0. Negative integer is a number with negative sign, that is minus sign, is called negative integers. Okay, so in this reference we have already discussed integers and their topics. After that we will discuss about representation of integers on number line. So take a screenshot for your understanding. Next topic is representation of integers on number line. Representation of integers on number line. Next, that is topic is representation of integers on number line. First of all, we have to discuss about number line. What is number line? Number line is a line which may be horizontal and vertical, on which numbers are represented, are called number line. Number line are basically 2 types, horizontal line and vertical line, on which numbers are represented. That is, it is horizontal number line and this is vertical number line, on which we have to mark 0 in anywhere, that is 0. After that we have to divide it by equal parts and so on. Left side of 0, negative numbers are represented, and right side of 0 is positive numbers are represented. That is plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4 and so on. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and so on. In the vertical number line, in the similar way we have to divide this line in equal parts, that is taking 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter so many scales you have to taken, and we have to mark 0 in anywhere of number line. After that, upper side of 0 positive integers are represented, and below side of the 0 negative numbers are represented, that is negative integers, and after that positive integers. Okay, so this is the basic concept of representation of integers on number line. After that, we have to discuss about real life representation of integer. In this section, we have to study about real life examples of integers. Okay, that is profit, loss, below the sea level, above the sea level, and left side, right side, east, west, north, south, so on. So take a screenshot for your understanding. After that, we will discuss about real life representation of integers. Okay, come on. So next topic is real life representation of integers. That is, example first, increase or increment is represented by plus sign, decrease or decrement is represented by negative sign, profit is represented by plus sign, loss is represented by minus sign, east direction is represented by plus sign, west direction is represented by minus sign, north direction is represented by plus sign, south direction is represented by minus sign. After that, there are some examples, that is increase, decrease, profit, loss, east, west, north, south. As we know that this is the north, this is south, east and west. This is the origin. After that, plus sign, minus sign, plus sign, minus sign. So this is the real life representation of integers. Above the sea level is represented by plus sign, 10 below the sea level is represented by minus sign. So there are so many examples of real life representation of integers, such as these 10 examples. So next you can take a screenshot for this, and after that we will discuss about successor and predecessor. Okay. Next topic is successor. Successor is a number which is obtained by adding number, that is integer, plus 1. which is obtained by adding +1 in the original number. Second is predecessor. Predecessor, that is a number integer which is obtained after subtracting 1 from the given number. So this is the basic concept of successor, that is +1, predecessor, that is -1. After that, next topic is ascending order, and next is descending order. Ascending order, in this order we have to write smallest number, after that greater number, after that greater number, after that so on, and at last greatest number. मीन्स असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में सबसे पहले सबसे छोटी नंबर, फिर उससे बड़ी, फिर उससे बड़ी, फिर उससे बड़ी, एंड लास्ट में सबसे बड़ी नंबर. इसको हिंदी में आरोही क्रम कहा जाता है. इसको ऐसे भी समझ सकते हैं, दैट इज असेंडिंग ऑर्डर. असेंडिंग ऑर्डर मतलब नीचे से स्टार्ट करेंगे, ऊपर की तरफ जाएंगे, एज ए स्टेप. ascending order, ascending order and descending order, top to bottom, top to bottom, that is greatest number, after that smaller number, after that smaller number, and at last smallest number. मीन्स सबसे बड़ी संख्या, फिर उससे छोटी संख्या, फिर उससे छोटी संख्या, फिर उससे छोटी संख्या, एंड लास्ट में सबसे छोटी संख्या. ओके, इस टाइप से कॉन्सेप्ट्स में ये कंप्लीट हुआ. अब चलते हैं एक्सरसाइज में. एक्सरसाइज 1.1, जिसमें कुछ प्रैक्टिकल्स के रूप में कुछ दिए गए हैं. एक्सरसाइज 1.1, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, जिसमें ग्रेटर नंबर, स्मॉलर नंबर हमें फाइंड करना है. Put the appropriate symbol, that is greater than and smaller than and equal to sign हमें put करना है. So moving on, exercise 1.1, question 1 says that we have to put greater than sign, less than sign and equal sign. In this question, first of all, we have to discuss about greater than sign. In this sign, the opening side of this sign, the greater number is written. Greater number is written. In the closed sign, smaller number is written. Smaller number is written. In the similar way, this is the smaller number and this is the greater number. Equal sign is used when both numbers are equal. Okay, in integers when we go from 0 to right side, that is positive integers, they are increasing order. They are increasing order in their value, and when we go from left 0 to left side, then they are decreasing in order in their values. Decreasing order in their values. So taking in mind this concept, we can understand and put these signs. So let's take example, that is exercise 1.1. Question is that A, which is 8, box 11, B -11 box 0, C -1 box -1, D -8 box -11, E -5 box 9, F 6 box -3. So in this question, this is 8 and 11, both are positive numbers, positive integers. So 8 is left side of the 11. So 11 is greater than 8. And in this question, -11 and 0. -11 is left side of 0. So 0 is greater than -11. In the other way, -11 is less than 0. -1 and -1, that is equal. -8 and -11. In this question, when we go from right side to left side, so their values in decreasing order. So -11 is less than -8. So -8 is greater than -11. In -5 and 9, this is negative number which is also less than 9, positive numbers. And this is 6 and -3, positive number is always greater than negative numbers, that is 6 is greater than -3. So this is the solution of the question first. In the similar way, question number 2. Question number 2 is we have to solve this question by taking their positive or negative values, that is real life examples. Question number 2 says write the opposites of the following statement. A, we have to write opposite statement, that is profit of rupees 500. Their answer is we have to write opposite, that profit opposite is loss of rupees 500. B, 5 meter below sea level, we have to write opposite of this. So we have to write 50 meter above the sea level. We have to write above the sea level, above the sea level, above the sea level. C, 20 kilometer east. So we have to write opposite it. So 20 kilometer west, ईस्ट का अपोजिट वेस्ट, above below का above, profit का loss. So increase in temperature, increase in temperature. So its opposite is decrease in temperature, decrease in temperature. So this is the answer. Next topic is absolute value of integer. Take a screenshot. Next topic is absolute value. First of all, we have to discuss about what is absolute value of integers. After that, we will discuss about their questions. Absolute value of integers. Absolute value of integers. Absolute value of integer is a integer whose value is only positive, or other way, the positive value of integer is absolute value. That means absolute value of integer is a positive value of integer. In other way, integer that has only positive sign. Okay. So the question is question number 3, and positive value is represented as double vertical line and their parallel lines. Okay. This value is, this symbol is called mod, 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 and minus 3 is equal to 3. So question number 3, find out the absolute value of integer, that is minus 19, b is minus 20, c is minus 105, d is 307. Their solution is mod of minus 19 equal to 19, mod of minus 20 is equal to 20, mod of 105 equal to 105, mod of 307 equal to 307. This is the answer regarding to absolute value of integer. Okay, after moving, take a screenshot for this question. Question number 4, a number line representing integer is given below. So question number 4 says that a number line is given representing number line. Okay, representing number line, that is number line. Question number 4, representing number line, that is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S. In this, J represent 0, left side of 0 is minus 1, G is minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, and K is 1, 2. So question is this, write the integers represented by M, N, O, P, Q, R, S. In this question says that write the integers represented by M, N, O, P, Q, R and S. So let's remind it. 0 is J. After that, right side of the 0 is positive numbers are represented, left side 0 is negative numbers are represented, and in the number line there are equal division of their number line, and after that 1, 2, this number is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So M is number integer represented by M is 3, that is N by 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we can write it by in the similar way. Solution: integer represented by M equal to plus 3, integer represented by N is equal to plus 4, and so on. We can write this solution. Okay, let's move on. Question number 5. Arrange the following numbers in ascending order. In this question we have to arrange these integers in ascending order. Okay, so we have to remind it the positive integers, negative integers and 0 and their increasing and decreasing values. So we have to arrange in ascending order, that is minus 105, 73, minus 50 and 67 and 45. So in this question 73 and 45 is positive numbers. So these values are greater than these negative values. So and in 73 and 45 is less than 75. So greatest number is 73 and 45 is less than 73. Okay, ascending order. Now let's find out smallest number. Now minus 105, minus 50, minus 67. In this question, minus 105 is left side of the minus 67. So smallest number is minus 105. After that minus 67. After that minus 50. अब इसको हम समझते हैं असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में. सबसे पहले यहाँ पे सबसे छोटी नंबर जो कि निगेटिव नंबर में सबसे बड़ी होगी. छोटी नंबर कौन सी होगी? निगेटिव नंबर में जो सबसे बड़ी नंबर होगी वो सबसे छोटी होगी. उसके बाद निगेटिव नंबर में उससे छोटी जो होगी यानी 105 से वो छोटी होगी, इससे बड़ी होगी. उसके बाद इससे बड़ी. उसके बाद देखते हैं पॉजिटिव नंबर 45 आ जाएगा, ये 73 आ जाएगा. ओके, सो नो प्रॉब्लम. क्वेश्चन नंबर, this is question number 5. So question number 6, in descending order we have to arrange in descending order. So in this question 1008 minus 8001 minus 506 minus 605, this is the question in which we have to arrange this in descending order. So first of all we have to find out the greatest number. So greatest number is minus 506 because in negative integers whose numeral value is smallest, whose numeral value is smallest, that value is greatest number. After that means नेगेटिव इंटीजर्स में जिसकी वैल्यू सबसे छोटी होती है, नेगेटिव इंटीजर्स में जिसकी वैल्यू सबसे छोटी होती है वो सबसे बड़ी नंबर होती है, यानी उसकी वैल्यू ग्रेटेस्ट होती है. उसके बाद इससे बड़ी उससे बड़ी होती है ना, इससे छोटी सबसे छोटी नंबर सबसे बड़ी, फिर उससे बड़ी यानी इससे बड़ी नंबर इससे छोटी, फिर इससे छोटी, फिर इससे छोटी. ठीक है ना, ये हो गया डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर, ये अरेंज करने का. अब नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे आते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7, राइट द अपोजिट ऑफ द फॉलोइंग. हमें इसको अपोजिट लिखना है. दैट इज दिस क्वेश्चन वी हैव टू राइट अपोजिट ऑफ द फॉलोइंग. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 वी हैव टू राइट अपोजिट ऑफ द फॉलोइंग. दैट इज 87. अपोजिट ऑफ 87 is equal to minus 87. So we have to change their signs. Minus 87. So opposite of minus 87, opposite of minus 87 is 87. So in this we have to change minus sign into plus sign. C is minus 198. Opposite of minus, there is plus 198, and D is 198. That opposite of 198, opposite of 198 is minus 198. So इस क्वेश्चन में सिर्फ 87 है तो माइनस 87, माइनस 87 तो 87, माइनस 198 प्लस 98, यानी साइन चेंज कर देना है. ठीक है ना. अब क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 पे आते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 पे आते हैं. Question number 8 says a pattern in which we have to fill this. Question number 8. A 25, 20, 15, 10. After that 3 numbers हमें fill करना है. B -3, -6, -9, -12. After that 3 vacant portions. C is -32, -28, -24, -20. D is 9, 5, 1, -3. सो इस क्वेश्चन को समझेंगे बहुत अच्छे से. यहाँ पे देखेंगे एक पैटर्न दिया हुआ है जिसमें 25 है, 20 है, 15 है, 10. यहाँ पे हम देख रहे हैं यहाँ पे 25 से ये 5 सब्ट्रैक्ट हुआ तो 20 है, 20 से 15 आया यानी 5 सब्ट्रैक्ट हुआ, यहाँ पे 5 सब्ट्रैक्ट हुआ, तो नेक्स्ट में 5 सब्ट्रैक्ट होगा तो 5 आ जाएगा, यहाँ पे 5 पुट करना है, उसके बाद 5 सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे 0 आ जाएगा, उसके बाद 5 सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे तो -5 आ जाएगा। यहाँ पे देखना होगा सीक्वेंस क्या है, इसमें चेंजिंग क्या हो रही है, ये ध्यान रखना है। यहाँ पे देख रहे हैं 5 सब्ट्रैक्ट हो, यहाँ से 5 सब्ट्रैक्ट, यहाँ से 5 सब्ट्रैक्ट, यहाँ से 5 सब्ट्रैक्ट, तो यहाँ से 5 सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दे 0 0 ये। अब यहाँ पे देख रहे हैं माइनस में निगेटिव नंबर्स में ये इंक्रीज कर रही है, दैट इज यानी 3 3 6 फिर 3 6 फिर 3 ऐड यानी यहाँ पे हो जाएगा -15, यहाँ पे हो जाएगा -18, यहाँ पे हो जाएगा -21, क्योंकि यहाँ पे निगेटिव साइन तो लगा ही लगा है और यहाँ पे 3 3 इंक्रीज कर रहा है। यहाँ पे देख रहे हैं -32 -28 ये निगेटिव साइन है ये, और यहाँ पे देख रहे हैं ये 4 4 का डिफरेंस है ये यहाँ पे, यानी 32 28 24 20 ये हो जाएगा -16, ये हो जाएगा -12, ये हो जाएगा -8, यानी साइन जो भी लगा हुआ है वो लगा रहेगा और इनकी जो वैल्यूज है वो डिक्रीज कर रही हैं। अगर इसके साइन के साथ हम देखें इनकी वैल्यू इंक्रीज कर रही है, निगेटिव साइन को अगर इग्नोर करें तो हमें 32 28 ये डिक्रीज करती हुई नजर आती हैं, लेकिन अगर साइन को ही देखें तो -30 इज लेस देन, -28 लेस देन, -24, यानी ये इंक्रीज कर रही है साइन के साथ, ठीक है ना। फिलहाल हमें साइन से कोई मतलब नहीं है, सिर्फ इससे मतलब है कि हमें सीक्वेंस कौन सा मिल रहा है। यहाँ देखेंगे यहाँ 4 सब्ट्रैक्ट हो रहा है यहाँ पे, है ना, तो यहाँ 4 सब्ट्रैक्ट होगा तो -7 हो जाएगा, यहाँ पे -11 हो जाएगा, ये -15 हो जाएगा, ठीक है ना। सिर्फ इतना ध्यान रखना है सीक्वेंस कैसे कैसे चेंज हो रहा है, उस सीक्वेंस के अकॉर्डिंग हमें नंबर्स को फिल कर देना है। टेक स्क्रीनशॉट फॉर दिस, after that we will discuss we will solve another question number 8 9 10 sorry 8 9 and 10. Okay, moving on, question number 9. Question number 9, that is -7 -3 plus 7, B is -15 plus -27, C is -1 plus 6 plus -4, D is -48 plus 25. So in this question we have to remind it in this sequence, this is negative number, this is positive number, their signs are opposites, so in this place subtraction is applied, that is greater number minus smaller number, 7 minus 3 that is 4, and 7 is positive value, so this is +4, and plus is not written as usual, so +4 is answer, or simply 4. And in this question -15 and plus minus we have to multiply plus and minus, so minus is applied. And in this question negative numbers, both are negative numbers, so in the same sign we have to apply addition. So 5 plus 7 12, 4, and negative sign, that is minus sign, we have to apply. In these type of questions, when opposite signs are appear, then we have to apply subtraction. We have to apply subtraction. In this subtraction we have to subtract greater minus smaller number, and after that we have to put greater number sign, so this concept should be followed. Opposite sign, that is -3 plus 7, so subtraction is applied, and after that greater number, that is 7, smaller number, that is 3, we have to subtract 7 minus 3, that is +4, that is greater number sign, the greater number is 7, so plus is applied. And in this case, when same sign appeared, then addition is applied addition is applied and we have to put same sign in result, यानी हमें रिजल्ट में सेम साइन अप्लाई करना होता है। दैट इज -15 प्लस माइनस का इंटू हुआ, यहाँ पे माइनस हुआ 27, उसके बाद ऐड करने पे 42 आंसर। अब यहाँ पे देखेंगे दिस इज -1 प्लस 6, दिस इज प्लस माइनस माइनस हो जाएगा। अब यहाँ पे हम देखेंगे ये भी निगेटिव, ये भी निगेटिव, बोथ आर निगेटिव नंबर्स, सो बोथ नंबर्स आर एडेड, both numbers are added, that is -1 -4 plus 6 and this is -5 plus 6. After that both are opposite sign, so subtraction is applied and greater number minus smaller number and greater number sign, that is 6 minus 5, this is 1 and plus sign is applied because 6 has plus sign. After that -48 plus 25, there are also opposite sign, so subtraction is applied, greater number minus smaller number with greater number sign, so 48 minus 25 and greater number sign is minus, so first of all we have to apply minus sign. 8 minus 5, that is 3 and 2, this is the answer. Okay, these concepts are very important. Opposite sign subtraction, greater minus smaller, greater number sign, same sign addition and same sign in result you have to. Next question, question number 10, subtract the first integer from the second. इस क्वेश्चन में हमें फर्स्ट इंटीजर को सेकंड से सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है। ओके, सो वी हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट सेकंड बाय फर्स्ट, दैट इज 18 minus 6, that is 12, this is the answer. B, we have to subtract first integer from second, that is -7 minus -13, -7 minus minus we have to multiply, minus minus plus 13, in this opposite sign are appeared, so subtraction is applied. 13 minus 7, that is 6 and 13 is plus sign, so plus sign is applied. -8 to 15, so we have to subtract 15 minus -8 and after opening the bracket minus minus change the plus sign, that is 23. D is 5 minus 8, so -8 minus 5, so -8 minus 5 same sign, so addition is applied, minus 13, so this is the answer. Okay, so आज के लिए बस इतना ही।